He's gonna get you. You better leave him alone. Rupert, I told you to leave the chickens alone. You can't listen to Mama. You will not listen to Mama. He's gonna get you. He is gonna get you. You better leave the chickens alone. I told you Ole Yeller would get you. You better leave him alone. These are the chickens today, 1 year later. These are the Easter chickens. Now, Rupert, you cannot have an Easter chicken. No, you can't. Hey, Jim, you can't have an Easter chicken. Look at these pretty babies. All grown up. Look at the pretty chickens. Here, babies. Come here. Come here. Rupert, you don't remember the Easter chickens. We got them before we got you. But Zimmy remembers them, don't you, Zoom? They were just little bitty babies. And they're full grown now. Look, Rupert, you cannot have a chicken. No. You cannot have a chicken. No. There they are. Zoom, do you remember them? You remember the Easter chicken? Rupert, Rupert. Rupert, you cannot have a chicken. Rupert. Here's some more of our roosters and our hens. Our Easter chickens from last year. And of course, here's our new member, Miss Cashmere. She's our little cow, and Mr. Joe, he's our little bull. And here are all the goats. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. Hey, Adeline. Hello, Miss Cashmere. Hello. There's Ole Yeller, the aggressive rooster. Here comes the other chickens. There's our Easter chickens. Rupert. 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 Rupert, you are a loud boy. Hey, my babies. Hey, my beautiful babies. Hey, all my pretty babies. Rupert. Rupert. You cannot have an Easter chicken. Hey, Cashmere. Rupert, are you after the baby chicks? You can't have them. You cannot have the baby chicks, Rupert. Rupert, you're getting too hot. Calm down. Calm down.
No, Rupert. No.
No, you cannot have the baby chicks. No. Rupert, what is it? What is it? You cannot have the baby chicken. You can't have the baby chickens. What, baby? What?